Hi guys, Singularity Tech here, my first video, and today I will be showing you what parts, if you have around just over £300 to spend, what parts you should be buying for maybe your first gaming rig PC thing. So let's get right into it. And first we have motherboard, fresh off of eBay. I've already bought this, I've got it in my house right now, and they do come in great condition, and it's LGA 1155, so it's a second and third gen Intel, and it's made by Intel, but it's a good quality board, especially worth the money. And if you want to look a bit more, then on the listing there's on-to-date QT 2012 Micro ATX 95W TDP, 32 gigs of RAM, dual channel 4 DIMMs with integrated graphics supported on processors, different PCI, number of USB ports, USB revision, and also eSATA, amount of SATA ports you can have, and all that lovely stuff if you know what you're going on about. No. But going back, it's a good motherboard, socket protector of course, 4 DIMM slots, and the motherboard power, and 5 SATA ports as well as an M-SATA slot, right there just beneath them, which will be populated later on in the build, as well as a PCI X16, X1, PCI, and PCIe X4, and I got your standard audio jacks, 2 USB 3, Ethernet, 2 DVI ports, DisplayPort, Intel AMT Ethernet, which I'm not sure what that is, 2 USB 2 ports, eSATA, FireWire, or 1934 or something like that. 1394 is, can't remember the name of that connector specifically. And then 2 charging USB ports for charging your phone without having to wait an age, because it's a PC. Probably gets a bit of power from the 4 pin up there. There's a few different fan headers up top. So I thought this would be a solid motherboard. It's definitely good for the price. Could even make an offer if you 40 quid is still too much for your budget. A bit moving on, for the same CPU, same price as the motherboard, went for it from CX i5 3570, 3.4 GHz, bright socket. It's got £40, great price. It's just, can't really see anything wrong with this. It's a good speed for an extra £5 if it's in stock, which I don't believe it is. You can get the K variant for just faster clock speeds, but you won't be able to overclock on this motherboard. Ridiculous little VRMs there. Sort of cute in a way if you find VRMs cute. But I thought this would be a solid choice, and to cool it, just any cheap-ish cooler will do, as long as it's not too cheap. I went with this Arctic Freezer 7 Pro Version 2. It's just not too tall, 3 heat pipes, will fit in pretty much any case. And yeah, I thought this would be good enough CPU cooler for this build, and it'll work absolutely fine, especially for this CPU with a whole 45 fins. Oh, so that should provide enough cooling power for this build. Probably provide some more cooling power than my current cooler, but then again that's a stock cooler. But I myself on sale got a Arctic Freezer 33, so it's a bit better of a cooler, but this will do the job. Moving on to RAM, get like 2 of these, DDR3, 1600 MHz, standard desktop RAM, £10 a stick. So I think for the price, 2 of these, that's just bargain deal really. Not going to get much better prices used. And then sneaky peek at the graphics card, but for the build I will be putting in 10 gigs just because I've got some spare sticks to relieve of duty, as it were. Another graphics card which you may have already seen is an ATI or AMD at this point, it says on the fan there, AMD Radeon R9 280 3GB graphics card. I chose this because it will have similar, bit better, bit worse depending on the driver and game performance to a GTX 960, which is what I have for the build, which I got from a friend for a really good price. But basically I thought this would be a good card, solid 1080p performance at medium settings, probably 3 gigs of VRAM, which is more than this 960 has. It's only 2, and the 960 costs £85 for 2 gigs, or a whole £120 for 4 gigs, and at which that price for 115 you'd be much better off with an R9 290X with 4 gigs. It's a much better card, you just better be sure you have the power supply to power it. So just solid card, maybe get this cooler, maybe not, you never know, because it's what people sell to them. But moving on to the case, I chose the Practical Design Focus G Mini Micro ATX case. Comes with 2 white LED fans at the front, as well as I have this already. Completely meshed front with a great high quality dust filter. It's just a nice design, not too in your face. There's plenty of room inside to build. And I've also got a couple fans which I got from other PC cases which have been replaced. It's just a nice, not too big, nice size, nice looking case, so that's why I chose this. As I said, Micro ATX support, got a nice acrylic window which should do the job of showing off your components, and vibration damping on the different, on the 2 3.5 inch drive gauges, and 2 silent series 120mm LED white fans included. Not Corsair light loops, no, way too expensive for this. 2 fans probably cost more than this case does, but so that's the case I went with. For power, just a fairly inexpensive Cooler Master 600 watt power supply. I believe it's 80 plus white, so it's not the most efficient, but it should still not be. It's got some room to upgrade to something a bit better, like a 290X, as I mentioned before, if you have the extra money to spend. It's gonna be a good power supply. Yeah, I got a 450 watt bronze rated. As I said, I got in a deal with my friend as well as the 960 for a new power supply for him. 10 star, 9.4 out of 10. Maybe get the wrong plug with it, but that might have just been him because I haven't seen. It's just, one person had the wrong cable came with it, but that shouldn't happen. V2, so slightly better than the original would be. And then for the SSD, as I said, M-SATA, not M.2. It's an M-SATA drive, and I went for this because it means you don't have to fork out a whole. Let's see how much a SATA cable is. I press caps lock. A whole £1.22. You don't have to fork out on a SATA cable. So it's a very costly part of building your PC. So you won't have to spend that at all. And it just goes straight into the motherboard, no extra wires needed. Nice and neat. Yeah, just overall pretty good value, I think, in my opinion. And also, best part, I Really scroll down. Free Kingston coffee cup. You can't view it, but you get it. And I've ordered this, and I'm getting my coffee cup. I got number 95. But that's the solid state drive be putting into this PC. And then just because it's always handy to have a good amount of storage for games. They're £8 for a 500GB SATA hard drive. And then yeah, there's plenty in stock everywhere. I remember when near me there used to be like 14 in one's shop in stock, but they seem to have all been depleted. But that's so that's my build, and I wonder what the total cost is. Got my sticky note here. Ooh. And click on there, and £312.71 with no postage included. So none of this is posted. You're gonna have to pay the extra, but if with everything from eBay, that'll be free postage. Then £1.50 per thing from CEX. And I don't know if you need anything else from Amazon, then yeah, just spend an extra £3 for free delivery here. On the cooler, that's £1.50, £4.56. That's £7.50 postage from Sex, because everything is posted from different places, so it's not all the same cost. But if you have a local store with everything you need in stock, then that's always handy. And so yeah, that's the build. Free coffee cup, very useful, even has a handle. But good quality SSD, probably quite slow hard drive. Hopefully you get a decent one. But luck of the draw with CEX, like I say, same with the graphics card. Maybe RAM, you might get some nice stuff, might get super cheap. But good motherboard, good processor and graphics card combo, decent cooler, enough RAM, case, power supply, SSD and storage, all what you need for the build. And if you want a DVD drive, then you can always just have a look at CEX. £4.50, £6 if you really need a DVD drive. I guess that's not a bad price. Can't really argue with that, can you? Side of ye? Nope. So yeah, not much to not like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're looking forward to the build, which should be coming sometime in October, when I get the processor and SSD in from the post. But that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, close tabs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like on it if you did. If you didn't, don't leave a dislike, that's mean. Subscribe for more videos, as well as upcoming when I shall on Sunday most likely be streaming the first stage of building my water-cooled hardline PC. So no tube bending, it should just be assembling the main computer. But subscribe for that, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah.